Hi, welcome to the concept library. Please watch the complete video. Hello, this question is let A and B are two distinct vectors that are not parallel. Means two vectors are given A and B, they are different and they are not parallel also. Parallel in the sense like one vector is like this, so another is like this. So this you can say as A, this you can say as B. They are not parallel. And they are saying like there is some another vector C which is A cross B. So we have a basic idea about cross product, and that cross product is like if you are having vector A and vector B, and if you will do cross product A cross B, like A cross B, then you have to apply screw rule. Screw rule means like screw is like this. Suppose this is your screw. So turn the screw from A to B. A to B means like this. Okay, so this screw will go up. It will go up. Okay, so screw rule. So if you'll apply screw rule, then you will be having a new vector. Means what? A cross B will give you a new vector C. That new vector C will be perpendicular to both A also and B also, means in this direction. So you can consider this like suppose you are having some x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So this is x, this is y and this is z. So in this plane you have vector B and you have vector A. So this is a plane, right? This is a plane. This is a plane. In this plane, if you will do A cross B, then whatever answer will come, that answer will be a vector quantity because you are doing A cross B, and A cross B will give you another vector quantity C because this is cross product. So cross product will always give you vector quantity. So this vector quantity will be having a direction. That direction will be always perpendicular to xy plane. This plane and this is perpendicular. So this vector Z, this vector C will be in direction of Z. Now come to the options. Options are 0, so no. Cross product cannot be 0. Why it cannot be 0? Because angle between A and B is not 0 degree. Because if you open A cross B, what will you get? A B sine theta. So this answer will be 0 if theta is 0. What is theta? Theta is the angle between A and B. So here you can see clearly. So that's what. Now orthogonal to A means whatever answer you are getting C, that answer C is orthogonal to A alone. Is it true? No. Why? Because C is not orthogonal to A. It is also orthogonal to B. Right? Now next. So you can see option B is not correct. Option D is also not correct because orthogonal to B alone. So alone word is there, na? If they will say orthogonal to B, then that is correct. Orthogonal to A, that is correct. But alone, that is wrong. Because C is perpendicular to the plane itself. You can see here, this plane itself, C vector is perpendicular to plane itself. Now, next is orthogonal to A plus B. Now see, this question is correct. This option is correct. Option number C is correct. Orthogonal to A plus B. But how? How it is correct? We have vector A and we have vector B. So draw this. If this is A, this will also be A. If this is B, this will also be B. So this line will be A plus B, right? Vector sum, parallelogram method, correct? So you got a new vector. So this A is in, like in this diagram, this A is in xy plane. This is y axis, xy plane. B is also is in xy plane. So if you make parallelogram here, then your answer A plus B will also be in same plane, right? Xy plane. That's why C is perpendicular to A also, B also and A plus B also, right? Make sure whatever vectors will come in xy plane, this will be perpendicular to everyone. So main logic here, they may ask a question here. Vector A lies in xy plane. Vector B, vector A, they are not options, they are vectors. Vector B lies again in xy plane. Then vector A plus B will be in which plane? This can be a new question. So A plus B will be in same xy plane, right? Why? Because parallelogram. You can see. And you have to hit the like button. You have to comment your doubt. You have to comment about the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.